Hello, I'm Manu Hagmann. I'm the bass teacher. My first basis in jazz was traditional jazz from the 20s, 30s. My father is a big fan of this music and he's a musician too. This is a music I really have very deep in my heart. Even if I play in other kind of jazz and other kind of music. This workshop is especially for Gypsy Jazz, which is to me related very strongly to the swing era in the history of jazz. So in this era we have jazz as a dance music. Actually, it's really linked, very strongly linked to dancing, and there is this time component very strong, and we will work on this, especially for bass, keeping the time. I will begin the most quickly with trying to retain the music by heart, and it will give a lot of freedom then to play and to interact, because of course also a very important thing is to interact with the other people we are playing with, especially in jazz. We have to improvise not only our lines, but we have to improvise the arrangements. A lot of things are happening and we have to be connected with the other ones. So without paper and written music, it's a lot more easy to do it right. On the bass, the melody is the bass line, but it has to be also a melody. We need to, if we isolate the bass, we have to listen to a melody. Also, I like a lot to use the most of the possibilities, the sound possibilities of the instrument. Slapping technique. I love the bowing of, for example, Slam Stewart. So often we improvise something, and there is a good background idea, there is a good idea, but we don't success to perform it very clearly. So a big part of the work to me is to first to be conscious of these objects we naturally give musically, and to isolate it and to work on it to make it really clear, to make it for the audience that it makes sense. So that's a part of the work I think very important.